R is very popular for analysis, modeling, and many other tasks. However, it also has some capabilities you might not have thought of. Today, we're going to learn how to go into a folder and search for all PDF and Word documents for the number 505. Now, why are we doing this? Let's pretend we're resubmitting a grant or report and we change our sample size to 505 to 510, and we want to know which documents still have 505. You can see this one right here has 505 in one part and 510 in the other, and that's definitely a problem. There's also a PDF version of this, which I want to go to. And you can see it has 510, 510, and 510. So we have to identify these inconsistencies, and we're going to use R to do that for PDF and DOCX files or Word files. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is we want to open RStudio or R. I use RStudio because I find it a lot easier. You can know next to nothing about R, and it helps you out a lot. So I recommend using RStudio. I want to create a new R script. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to import a couple packages here. So we want to install pdftools, and we want to install readtext. Now you want to highlight it and click on run, and it's going to do its thing and unpack everything. So I'm going to pull this down here. And now we're going to import these same packages. So we're going to go to Library, PDF Tools, and then Library, Read Text. And now we reference these. Okay, once we've imported the libraries, I'm just going to paste in the code here. It's a little bit easier. And the first thing we want to do is specify the folder path. And that's what I'm doing right there. And I'm using the /. I just find there's less issues with that. And so you want to put that in there. And the next thing that I'm doing is I'm getting it to list all PDF files in that folder and all Word files. So you can see the PDF part there first. This is the code that it's looking for, .pdf, the substring and the file name. And we're doing the same thing with the Word files right here with the .docx and listing it. Okay, the next thing is this is the part to count the occurrences of the string. So we're calling it count occurrences. And it's going to sum up the number of times it sees 505 or whatever string that we want. So it's going to ignore the case. That's not going to matter in 505 because there's no capital or lowercase. Nevertheless, so we're done with that section. What it's going to do is it's going to create a text file called results.txt, and that's going to tell us everything, like how many times it occurs in each file. Okay, the next part, we're processing the PDF file. So we're running a loop here. So it's identifying everything in that folder as a PDF, and it's looping through it looking for 505 right there. And you can change 505 to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a number, it could be a word. And we're gonna have it output PDF file, ; and the name of the file and occurrences of 505. It'll tell us how many times that's happened. Okay, for the next part, we're doing the same thing with the Word files. Looking for 505, we're gonna sum how many times it occurs and processing the text right there. And like I said, you can change 505 to whatever you want to. And we're going to output it. Again, you can change 505 to wherever you want to, but we're going to make it say Word file, ; the name of the file, occurrences of 505, and how many times it's in that DOCX file. In the end, we have to close the connection to the results.txt file. So when you're ready, highlight everything, hit run. And let's see what we find. Okay, that's our results file right there that we created. Let's double click. All right, so we can see there, it's outputting everything like it should. The human subjects.pdf, that has one occurrence of 505, but the Word version of that, or DOCX, only has 0. That's strange. So that's an inconsistency we have to fix. So letter of support, both 0. Research plan, both 4. Specific games, the PDF has 0, and the specific games docx file has 1. So we got to fix that as well. So we open this specific games file, we can see right there, 510, 510, and 510. If we open the Word file, we have 505 right there, and that corresponds to that, and so on. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. In the meantime, take care, everyone.